Welcome my beautiful friends once again to my channel, Florida Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some tacos. I know that I already have some Mexican taco recipes on my channel, but we've made it a little different this time. And the secret to a great Mexican taco is pico de gallo. I have some left from last time. Some pico de gallo. Pico de gallo is a mix of tomatoes, cilantro, and onions. So I'm going to be slicing these, and you need the fresh cilantro and some onions. So you're going to be seeing me slicing those, and I got this organic grass-fed, 100% grass-fed beef. I know that I still haven't left meat completely out of the equation, but let me just use the organic one for now. Okay, so now I'm going to be cutting the tomato, and we'll be cutting it, and you're going to be dicing it, okay? So in like little cubes right here, just little cubes, and keep on cutting the rest of those tomatoes. And then you're gonna need some salt and some lemon on your pico de gallo. That's it. That's the whole secret of pico de gallo for the tacos, okay? You just dice it in small pieces. Now we're gonna go with the cilantro. We're gonna cut the top portion, and please don't cut too much. You don't need too much cilantro on your tacos. I think like a handful is just more than enough. And the cilantro, don't dice it. Actually, you don't want small, chunks of cilantro. You want to feel the crunch of the pico de gallo. So we're just going to cut a little bit. So we're not going to be cutting too much. Okay? So just cut like about 5 or 6 times, and that's it. You don't need to do that work for the pico de gallo. Now we're going to need purple onion, preferable purple onions for pico de gallo, because it has amazing taste. And this one, yes, you're going to be dicing it. Okay, so we're going to dice those onions right there. And the smell is just incredible. All right, so secret of all is just dicing those tomatoes, dicing those onions, and cutting a little bit of the cilantro, and adding that lemon and that salt. All right, my beautiful friends, so we have the pan here on the heat with the oil, and we have the organic meats waiting there. We're using 16 ounces according to this, which is enough for about 3 people. And the seasoning mix that we use is the one that you get at the store, the old El Paso Tex seasoning mix. And what we're doing right now is that we're cutting some garlic, and we just peeled the garlic, and we're using about 4 cloves. 4 cloves is more than enough for the tacos. All right, my beautiful friends, so now we just peeled off a medium-sized onion, and now we're cutting that, okay? And we're gonna use that medium-sized onion. That's a secret to our style type of Mexican tacos. And we have the meat right here, and it's sizzling right there. And this is a grass-fed type of meat, which is, in my opinion, a lot better. So we're waiting for that to heat on while the onion is being cut. And we're gonna add that medium-sized onion. The onion just gives it amazing flavor. Now we're adding the garlic. Okay, we're adding some black pepper, some salt to your tasting, but be careful not to add too much salt. Okay, now we're gonna be adding that seasoning mix, and add half of it, don't add the whole thing. While that is cooking, we're gonna be cutting some cilantro. Just get a handful of cilantro, and we're gonna be adding that in the actual meats. It's gonna give it even more flavor. And we're gonna be adding this salsa, which you could buy at any store. called thick and chunky salsa. The ones that I think you could also use this for chips, but we're going to be adding that into the mix of meats. All right, and that looks really amazing. Look at those colors right there. All right, now we're adding the salsa. We just add a little bit right there. I'm gonna keep on mixing it. So it's quite easy. Now I have my other pan right here, and I'll be, I like this type of tortillas, and other family members like the hard shell tacos, which are right here. So if I knew how to make Mexican tortillas, I think I would prefer that. But I'll be satisfied with that since I'm not Mexican. Right, but that looks amazing. All right, while I'm heating those tortillas, we're gonna be adding some habanero hot sauce. And this is just so that it could have that extra oomph. Okay, now if you don't like the Mexican tacos to be that hot, just add a little bit or don't add anything at all. You see we have those tortillas right there on the heats. Now we'll be adding some lemon, like about a tablespoon of lemon. Now we like the tangy feel of it. Now I think we're adding a little bit more than a tablespoon, but if you want to be on the safe side, just add 1 tablespoon of lemon. Wow, that's sizzling. We've been at it for like about 8 minutes now. 8 to 10 minutes. Remember not to let the meat get dry. You still want it to be a succulent, right? And we have our hard shell tacos right here. And we put them in the oven for about 2 minutes. You could put them, in the microwave for 2 minutes. However, you may add those in the oven. Now, you could also do a salsa for your tacos. Like you could buy some tomatillos and boil them. And then after that, put them in the blender and with jalapeno. And you could have that salsa. However, we're not doing that today. So we're just doing the meat tacos and the pico de gallo, which for us is more than enough because we added that habanero hot sauce on them.